Do you want to access the premium features of Canva? If your answer is yes, then you are at right place. I am going to share how you can use our Canva Pro feature free. Of course you heard right. If you want to make professional-looking designs, then Canva is the best choice for you. Canva is a simple, easy and free photo and video editor. Through this you can create attractive and stunning business flyers, Facebook post, story, Instagram post, story, letterheads, Pinterest pin template, YouTube thumbnail, poster, ads, banner, post design for your blogs, invitations card, menu, announcements, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, brochures, ebook cover, infographic, and many more. Canva free version have limited access to ready-made templates and designs. It's provided 5 GB of cloud storage to host your photos and videos. But Canva Pro provides millions of designs and all the premium templates for free. Canva Pro costs $13 per month, but don't worry, you will get premium access for free. Many users purchase Canva Enterprise and they allow other users to join their team to enjoy premium features. If you cannot afford Canva Premium, then you can join Canva Pro through the Canva Pro Team invite link. You must keep in mind that if the team owner deletes the team, you will lose Canva Pro access, so always save your designs on your phone or computer. To join Canva Pro through the team invite link, follow these steps. 1. Visit https://www.canva.com/ from your mobile phone or PC. 2. If you don't have a Canva account, then create a free account on the Canva website using your email. 3. Once you created an account on Canva, log in to your Canva account. 0.4s greater than 4. After logging into your account, click on the Canva Pro Team invite link that I will provide you in comment. 5. After clicking on the Canva Pro Team link, click the Got It option. You have successfully joined Canva Pro with the team link. Now, you can enjoy the premium features of Canva. If the Canva team has converted into a free version, then you can leave that Canva team and join a new one from the link shared in comment.